Hey guys, so this is going to be try 2 for the 8-sided column, which is octagonal. So what we're going to try this time is obviously we're going to try drawing the sketch again in the beginning, but this time we're going to go ahead and offset that edge. We need the loop, obviously, and after that we simply extrude it up. And let's do 100 for this one, so we have an even number. Then we're going to go ahead and select the lines of the inner octagon, and we're gonna make it smaller. So this is that concave effect that we want. So again, 25 just to make it even. Then we go ahead and mirror this one till we get the internal concave, just like was requested after the first video. Let's go ahead and do a quick fillet just to make it perfect before we move on, because I already know the effect. Again, 25 just to make it even. Now it's gonna look good. Let's go into visualization and make it transparent. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and I hope you guys learned something in this one as well. Have a good one. Bye-bye.